Welcome back to Broader Financial Future, to all my future millionaires and billionaires out there. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing day so far. In today's video, it's all about dividends. I'm going to share how much money I made in the month of March when it comes to my dividend income. But before we get started, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stay tuned. And just a disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. These are strictly my own personal opinions. And any investment may involve risks, so make sure you do your own homework. Now let's jump into today's video. Now, the first company I received my dividends from was from SPHD. It's an ETF. SPHD tracks a dividend yield weighted index of the least volatile, highest dividend yielding S&P 500 stocks. So that's basically what SPHD tracks. Now this is actually a monthly payer, so every time I do these reviews, you're probably always going to see SPHD as long as I own this company. Now for the month of March, they paid me a whopping $4.09. That equals to 0.141 cents a share. Now, this is actually down from the previous month, which I got paid $4.21 that month. For the past 3 months, this one has been going down. Now, I do expect some fluctuation when it comes to this ETF because it's not just one company, it's a bucket of companies, and it's a monthly payer. So I do expect to see some fluctuation from month to month. So it looks like it's going from 0.14 something cents to 0.15 something cents. Those points make a difference. Currently, their dividend yield is 4.83%. Now, my next dividend payer for the month of March is another monthly payer. It's AGNC. It's a REIT. It pays a monthly dividend. So in the month of March, I was paid $16.80. That equals to 12 cents a share. Overall, they've been pretty consistent with their monthly payment, with their monthly payout. So this one has been able to pay the same amount for the last few months. So there hasn't been any real deviations or change in the last 3 to 4 months when it comes to AGNC. They've been pretty reliable and consistent when it comes to their dividend. AGNC and SPHD, they're both monthly payers, so you're always going to see them on a list when I talk about my dividends. Combined, I get a whopping $20 that I can use for anything. Now, next up is Pfizer, ticker PFE. Now, Pfizer is in the pharmaceutical industry. They paid me a whopping $30.81. This one pays a quarterly dividend. Now, that's up from $26.60 in December. Now, it was up for 2 reasons. One, I increased my shares in Pfizer, so that's one of the reasons why it's up. In addition to me increasing my shares in Pfizer, Pfizer increased their dividend from 38 cents to 39 cents a share. So even if I didn't add any new shares, my dividend would be up compared to December because of the increase. That's one of the great things investing in strong dividend companies. So for example, if I did nothing, it would be $27.30 compared to $26.60. And that's why I like dividend companies, especially companies with a good track record that's able to pay their dividend and increase it. Now, Pfizer increased their dividend by approximately 3%. So it went from 38 cents to 39 cents per share. Now, this dividend increase is their 329 consecutively quarterly dividend paid to their customers. So if you own Pfizer, they paid a consecutive dividend for 329 consecutive quarters. That's really amazing. I haven't Pfizer that long, but ever since I had them, they sure paid me out well. Now, their dividend yield is 4.33%. And if you want to learn more about the company, I'm going to link it somewhere in this video. So in total, in a month of March, I was paid a whopping $51.70. And that's dividend income I can do anything I want with. Now, how do I use my dividend income? Well, number one, I use the dividend income that I received to buy more dividend companies, or I'll do what's called a drip and reinvest it into the same companies. Or number two, what I like to do is use this dividend income, like try to save a bit and put it in what I consider more speculative stocks. That's going to give me more bang for my buck, which in turn I can sell those shares and put that money into more dividend companies and increase my dividend payments over time. Now, if you're interested in investing, there's links below. Check them out. Some offer incentives for signing up. And if you receive dividends this month, Let me know who paid you a dividend and who are some of your favorite companies to receive dividends in the month of March. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, peace.